The Effects panel in Adobe Premiere Pro is your go-to place for adding a variety of visual and audio effects to your clips. Here's what you can do with it. 1. Browse Effects. The panel lists all the available video and audio effects and transitions. You can find effects like color correction, blur, distortions, and more. 2. Search for effects. Use the search bar at the top of the Effects panel to quickly find a specific effect or transition by name. 3. Apply effects. Drag and drop an effect from the panel directly onto a clip in your timeline. The effect will be applied to the selected clip. 4. Effect controls. Once you apply an effect, you can fine-tune its settings in the Effect Controls panel. This panel allows you to adjust parameters and create keyframes for animation. 5. Manage presets. You can save custom settings as presets to use them later. This is useful for maintaining a consistent look across multiple projects. The Effects panel helps enhance your video and audio clips, adding professional polish and creativity to your projects.